Okay, so here we're going to go in and solder the seam together of the bezel. The seam is facing down right here. So we're going to go first and flex it. Just one little spray. And then we're using hard flux because this is the first solder. And these are little pieces, so I'm going to put 2 on there. I'm going to put those right on the seam. Right there. And then we're going to start off with the torch underneath the bezel, just to dry up that flux real quick. We put the flux on first to try and keep those pieces from bouncing, but you can see when I went in it started to boil. So we're going to go back in, realign those, and warm that up. You can see the flux turned white. So I'm going to go in with that heat and warm up from underneath the entire bezel. And you can see the bezel immediately starts to change color. There we go. I don't want to melt the bezel, so I just go in back and forth and keep it moving. And that should be nice and good. So I'm going to take it, open that up, and quench it. And you can see right there, there's a nice seam, so I'll go in and pickle that. Okay, same thing with the square. I'm gonna go in, flex that. With the first solder on a bezel, we're going to put in hard solder. And we're going to put it right there on the seam. These are little, so I'm going to put 2. Right on that seam. Start that torch. And I'm going to go in real slow with the bigger part of the flame and warm up that metal so that it doesn't boil and jump off. You can see the flux turning white. And I'm going to flip the flame underneath, and I'm just going to keep moving back and forth. You can see the metal starting to change color, and then I just kind of wiggle it underneath and on top to make sure that it flowed across. And there it is. I'll take the tweezers, grab the piece, and put it in the quench. And that looks good. So I'll take that and pickle it.